Welcome my dear student, digital learning class of mathematics. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your self studies. So today I am going to take a very important chapter, that is chapter number 2, polynomials. Even you have studied about these polynomials from class 6th onward. Let's see what is this topic. So first, what do you mean by a polynomial in literal meaning? That means we can say in common language we can say poly plus nomial. Poly means many, nomial means parts or terms. So in simple way, if you want to write its answer, you can write polynomial means an algebraic expression having many terms. So let's see. So before starting polynomial, you must know about constants, variables, algebraic expression that you have studied in class 8th. So constant means which are fixed number like any counting number which are not changing. Variable means such quantity which are changing like x, y, z, all alphabet, they are coming in the category of variable. So algebraic expression, when we will form an algebraic expression, so we can write like 2x plus 3y plus 9 equals to 10. In this way, when we are adding, subtracting or multiplying some 2-3 terms, so we will get expression. So here expression obtained in term of variable and constant by using addition, subtraction, multiplication. Coefficient by composition of variable and constant. Both numeral coefficient is only numerical part of the term. So I want to clear you one thing. Whenever we are adding number of things like x plus y, x plus z in this way, so this plus sign is representing two terms. Always terms are separated by signs of plus and minus. So let's move. What is an algebraic expression? So algebraic expression of a type px, where we are writing a naught, ax1, a2x square, then so on till an x raised to power n, where a1, a2 and an all they are real number, they are counting numbers, and x is a variable and n is your non-zero integer. So for example, I am writing example like that: 2x raised to power 3, 7x raised to power 2 plus 5x minus 8. Now you can see here all numbers are here like maximum power is 3. So is a polynomial in variable x. So this is very important, my dear students. It may be polynomial in x or it may be polynomial in y. Sometimes it is intermixed. So just you need to keep in mind which type of polynomial you are discussing. So here we are discussing about a polynomial that is only having x variable. So let's move forward. What type, some examples of polynomial. So you can see examples of polynomial are like that: fx is equals to x raised to power 2 plus 7. You can write x plus y, 7 raised to power x raised to power 5 plus 3, like that. You can take anything on the any number in the form of x raised to the power like 1, 2, 3, 4, but keep in mind it is not like that in a fraction form: 2 upon 3, 5 upon 4. Such number are not required in any polynomial in the power. So you can see second case 2.5 x plus 3 upon 2. Here x power is 1. In last case r x is equals to 5. This is also polynomial, even there is no variable. So how I can write this, I want to tell you later. Then you see second side, examples of non-polynomials. So what is the difference in both? You can compare fx 4 under root x plus 2. Under root means power is 1 upon 2. So this is not valid. So this is not a polynomial. Second is px 8 upon x. 8 upon x. So x is in denominator. Once again it is not a polynomial. Next is x raised to power x. You can see x is variable and it is very clear we need a number in the power of a x. So all these three examples are not a polynomial. So after that we have degree of polynomial. What does mean the degree? Degree means the highest power of the variable in any algebraic expression. So you can see here example 3x raised to power 5, 4x cube plus pi. So first term, see 3x raised to power 5. Maximum power of x is here 5. So degree is also 5. Then secondly, you can see in second case 2x square 2x raised to power 4 plus 3 x raised to power 2 and y raised to power 3 minus 4x raised to power 2 y raised to power 1 plus 6. In such cases where you have two variables, you need to add the power of variable. So you can see in second case you will get 3x raised to power 2 y raised to power 3. Add the power of x and y, it will become 2 plus 3 5. So this is having maximum degree of the variable is 5. But in single variable, if equation is there, so it is very easy, just go to the maximum power, that is your answer. So let's move toward classification of polynomial on the basis of degree. Degree is the maximum power of any variable in a algebraic expression. First is constant polynomial. As I told you, there is one example 5. Why that is the polynomial? So that is coming in the category of constant polynomial. Constant polynomial in which the degree of variable is 0, or I can say there is no variable. Simple, I can write 5, 100, 20, 30, any number. That is constant polynomial. Or even you can write it in the form of x raised to power 0. Then linear polynomial. Linear means the polynomial in which the maximum degree of the variable is 1. You can see in example 2x plus 3. Here the power of x is only 1. So such cases where variable having only one power, that is coming under the category of linear polynomial. So it is of the form px. General form of linear equation is ax plus b, where a is not equals to 0 and it is always representing a straight line. This equation is of a straight line. So next we have quadratic polynomial. Quad means 2. So here quadratic polynomial in which the degree of variable is 2. Maximum degree of the variable is 2. So you can see 2x raised to power 2, 3x plus 7. So all these part check once again. Maximum degree of x is with first part where it is written x raised to power 2. That's why it is a quadratic polynomial. And here condition is its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. A is not equals to 0 and all a, b, c are real number. If geometrically you want to represent this in graph, so you will get a U-shaped curve. Then next we have cubical polynomial. In a cubical polynomial, degree of the variable is 3, maximum degree. So we'll get an equation where maximum power of variable is 3. Even example is given to you, 4x raised to power 3 minus 5. In a standard form you can write ax raised to power 3 bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. In this way you can write cubical, even you can write quadratic or biquadratic, quartic or biquatic. That means power 4. So polynomial which is having degree is equals to 4, that is called your biquatic or quartic polynomial. And example is 2x raised to power 4 plus minus 3x plus 7. Even you can write any example, but you need to keep in mind that maximum power this time we need 4. Then quantinomial. Quantinomial means the polynomial in which the degree of variable is 5, maximum degree. So example is 5x raised to power 5, 4x raised to power 4 plus 3x plus 9. So in this way you can study about such polynomials. When a group of polynomial is given to you, you can identify is it coming in the category of linear, quadratic or biquadratic or quantic. Which category is the particular polynomial you can find out easily. So I hope my dear student this is clear to you how to define a polynomial, types of polynomial and degree of polynomial. These all concepts are clear to you. Thank you so much.